Are you tired of endless email chains and ineffective communication? Introducing Textline, the only many-to-many group texting service built for businesses. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to efficiency. Communication should be simple and clear. Yet traditional methods often leave teams fragmented and uninformed. Textline's group messaging feature solves this issue by allowing businesses to send and receive texts in a single thread. With Textline, you can boost transparency. All replies are visible to every participant, ensuring everyone stays informed. It's highly effective too, with a 98% open rate and 45% response rate. Plus, the platform is user-friendly, making group messaging as easy as texting from your phone. What sets Textline apart? We prioritize security, compliance, and top-notch support. Our multi-user platform enhances collaboration, and our customer-driven innovations ensure the best experience for you. Businesses across logistics, healthcare, sales, and more are already reaping the benefits. For instance, logistics teams quickly find truck drivers, while healthcare workers fill last-minute shifts effortlessly. Ready to transform your communication? Sign up for a free trial today and experience the power of Textline's group texting solution. No credit card required, so why wait? Start texting smart today!